we're facing these challenges with a programming that's basically encourages a baseline feeling of anxiety. So one of our goals is to replace that base anxiety with a what I call enjoy, like enjoy base of baseline. That would be extremely useful for everything, our health, our well-being of everyone, not just us, but everyone around us. The world is shifting towards a much better world, believe it or not. I know it doesn't look like it, but we're shifting towards a much better world than we had before. We're going towards what some people might consider the golden age, back to the golden age, where people were empowered, people would be loving, the environment would be wonderful. So those times are coming, and we must be ready for it. And to some extent, this message, this work is helping to usher in that that kind of environment that we are going to be facing in the future, which is an extremely positive environment. So in order to help usher that in, we must replace that anxiety base with the enjoy base, and we must take the appropriate steps and appropriate learnings towards facilitating, towards being able to take on this new environment. If we don't face it that way, then we're facing this challenging environment with our programming. Since you're here listening to this video, you're probably the type of person that's already heard of creation of reality. So our thoughts create our reality, and our programming creates our thoughts. Or if we're not programmed, that can create our thought. So we're going to learn how to have our thoughts created from that base of non-anxiety, from that base of love, we could call it, from that base of enjoyment. So we'll be able to create our own thoughts instead of borrowing them from some sort of a programmed based reality, from sort of a template. So those are some of the goals that we want to accomplish in this work. So let's look at some of our faculties that's available to us to face the challenges. Let's jump in to see what our own abilities are, what our own facilities are to make wonderful changes in our lives. We certainly can't expect someone else to do it for us, politicians to do it for us, or the economy to do it for us. We have to do it ourselves. The good news, the very good news is that we have amazing abilities. It's just that we have to be able to grasp it. We have to be able to activate it first.